hinahanap mo yung malaking titi eh. Yung masarap kumain ng Fuki, yung enjoyment mo lang. Aalokin ka na.
Meron nga sa bago nagtanong sa akin ng na sabi niya, parang magiging sugar daddy ko daw. Siya in-explain niya sa akin. Kung gusto ko lang.
Asan daw yung boyfriend mo, Barbie? Ikaw na nga sumagot dyan kay Liquidated.
Sino doon? Sino doon?
She asked you which one, which BF you are talking about. Because so many.
I have so many.
She had so many.
I have so many. Which one? Which nationality?
Egyptian, Syrian, what?
Yan lang kasi meron eh. Dalawa lang yun. Egyptian, Syrian. Choose. But mostly I have a clue. I have Egyptian.
Tawa siya, oh, which one? Am I one of her BF?
Yes, yes. You're the last one. Last. Kasunod pa.
You're not the last one, yeah. Liquidated. Don't celebrate.
May kasunod pa kasi.
She's cute too. Who's that? Meet Barbie. She's single, guys. Ready to mingle.
Tumingin.
If you wanna meet her, you can book your appointment now.
No, na.